Welcome woodpeckers! I'm Martin Jensen and today we are doing a little impossible gift special. I couldn't come to my nephew's birthday this year, have to work, so I thought it cool if I made this gift for him and he could watch it on his birthday. This gift is to show him that whatever he wants in life, nothing is impossible. Here, you see where I drawn this line. I will cut here, I will cut here, I'll cut on the outsides. Make sure you have a room for the nail to wiggle a bit. Make sure that the water covers the bottom completely. And you know, when one of them gets a gift like this, kids pretty much are, I want one too. So why not make 5 of them? Now, I just wished that I could try and see if I could push this together by just using this wood clamp, I think it's called. No, not possible. Need more power. So I go for my power bench. Yeah, so I'm not the most patient of guys, but so after this is dried now for, I don't know, 30 minutes, I'm gonna see if, because it won't pop out instantly, I think. I have some time, so if I'm very fast, I can get the hole made and put the nail into it, and voila, the magic trick is done. So here goes nothing. Then you put it back into the boiling pot and bam, 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 it pops out, and then you can you make it nicer. I'll show you how. So there's this Japanese method of conserving the wood for longer, and it's called something like shuzugiban. And what you do is you burn the wood, and then you add oil on it afterwards, and the stuff will last a lifetime. If you think this is a gift, you're very wrong. This looks like scrap. This looks awesome. It cost me about 50 cents, but the message is invaluable. Nothing is impossible. 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 Whether you struggle in school one day or later on in life, I hope you have this around to tell you that there is a way. Stay cool, kid, and happy birthday.